Hey, welcome back to the channel. Mr. G's Garage here. Today we are going to change the LED headlights out of my Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to find the easiest way to do it. And I guess join me and we'll see what we can get done. Let's go. All right, everybody, so here we go. This is what you see right behind the headlights. The headlights are here. So the blue one over there, that is going to be your high beams. Today I'm only changing out the driving lights, and they're going to be over here on the far left part, closest to your side of your car. And you're gonna stick your hand down in there and not get cut up, not get beat up. I got big old hands, so. And then you're just going to twist. I wonder if I can do this while you're watching. You stick your hand down in here. It's kind of weird. And that's easy. You just twist counterclockwise. Get out of there, you son of a gun. And then boom, it is out. There you go. Just that simple. And then if you look on the back, there is this little thing right here. Push that down, and it just pops right out. Let's do that. All right, so this is gonna be really easy. There's this little tab right here like I was showing you. You just push this down and it pops right out just like that. The new one goes in and click it, then you're done, and it goes right back in. So I haven't decided completely what I wanna do. I'm thinking I wanna change out the entire housing to get one of those fancy LED, running light things down the side. And I was kind of asking on Instagram what I should do. And if you have any ideas, pop them right down there in the comment section and say, hey bud, I know the perfect solution. But while I'm waiting, this company said, well, those can be kind of expensive. Would you like to just try some LEDs for us? So I said, sure, let's see what you got. So they sent these to me, very nice of them. Actually, they don't send them to you. They ask you to buy them on Amazon. Try to see if I can. They ask you to buy them on Amazon, and then they like pay you back on PayPal. I don't know. It was kind of weird, but it was right. So I have done the other side already because it's a little bit harder to get to, and I got to make sure I know what I'm talking about, I guess, before I show you guys. So here's what they come like, and there you go. And then we'll just pop this side in and see what we got. All right, so just go back in. You just reverse what you did before. It goes right in there to its hole. You see that? And then you want to kind of put it down in this position. And then you get it in there. And you easily get it in there. Somebody help me understand. Come on, you little son of a gun. You're gonna do this to me, huh? As I'm making a video? Okay. All right, it just goes right in there. Come on. All right, like I said, simply, easily, you stick it in there and then you just turn it into place. All right, guys, just a quick heads up. To get to the one on the passenger side, you just have to, it's right there. Here's your fluids. And they snuck it right down there, but it's pretty easy. I mean, they actually shaped it to look like an arm, so that's probably why they did it. Oh, the genius that is Toyota, I guess. So right down there, no big deal. All right, let's take a look what they look like. My helper's helping me. There you go. Nice and bright white, looking amazing. Both sets. Really easy. And I'm gonna show what it looks like at night. Let's do it. All right, here's what they look like, and now let's see what they look like when the LEDs get put in. All right, here it is, finished product. I really like it. I don't know if it's coming through the camera, super awesome. But it looks good in person. Nice, white, crisp lights. Now let's see what they look like on the wall. Or at night, I guess I should say. And here you go. White and yellow. And that's what it looks like. All right, guys, so here's what they look like before I switch it out the LEDs. Here's no lights, and then here's what they look like now. All right, there you go. So I want to give you a quick little view. Left side obviously is the LED, right side is the normal one. See if I can give you, so there's a brightness difference between the two. I don't know how long these are gonna last, but it's a really cheap alternative. I think they're like $30 something. Who knows, they could burn out in days, but that's what they look like. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look. Here we go. All right, so there it is. They're both installed. That's how it's done. It's really easy. Like I've said 1,000,003 times now. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Super simple LED lights. They look great. I'm gonna give you a lot more visibility. If you like what you see, you can always hit the sub button, like it, share it with your friends, your grandma, your best friend, the guy you barely know. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.